Hi, today we're going to be doing drip art. What you're going to need is a canvas, some paint, and a cup. This is an easy and fun way to create abstract art. What you're going to want to do is take your cup and fill it with different colors of paint. Pour each color in one at a time. The more paint, the better. Then you're going to take your cup and simply pour it onto the canvas. As you pour it onto the canvas, you're already going to see the colors starting to swirl together. As you can see on our canvas, we had to add a little bit more paint. So like I said, more paint is definitely better. Next, tilt the canvas from side to side and front to back. This will allow the paint to spread across the canvas, covering up all of the white. Once you have the entire canvas covered in paint, leave it out to dry. And there you have it. Once the paint has dried, you'll have a beautiful piece of fun art to hang on the wall. Enjoy this project? Subscribe to our channel for more fun and easy activities that you can do right at home. We'll see you again soon. Bye.